Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to check your appointments calendar in Hostinger website builder booking system. This is a restaurant website built using Hostinger website builder, and this is the calendar. I've already placed 2 bookings in this online store, and in this video I will share with you how to check them, or how to check them in your booking calendar. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. On this account, I have multiple websites, and to easily locate this website, I will search using the website URL. This is it. Click on Manage Store next to your website to go straight to the store management area. Now, click on Appointments. This is your appointments calendar, and this month is December, and today is 28th of this December. As you can see, tomorrow I have a booking or an appointment. If I click on it, I can see the booking details like the products booked, the price paid, the session duration, the events details like the date, month, and the year, starting and ending session, the location of this booking, and also the client details. To check the next month bookings, just click on this little arrow. And as you can see, I have another booking on this date. If I click on it, the same window pops up with the booking details. Unfortunately, the client's details cannot be located from this window, but just copy the client email, then go to the orders page, look for or search using the ordered email, and as you can see, this client booked 2 dates with me. Click on it like that, and from this order details. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger website builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger website builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. From this order details page, you can see more customers information like the name, the address, and also the same email. And this is how to check your appointments calendar in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.